Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make a DIY origami scale. And for that you guys have to subscribe my channel, click the notification bell so that you guys will be notified and you will be able to see the newly posted video like this. And give us a big thumbs up and let's start the video. Rubber, pencil, sharpener, scale, plain paper, soft cardboard, Fevicol, scissor and sketch pens. Our today's video, then tell us in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed my channel, then subscribe it, click the notification bell and give this video a big like and share this video to all your family and friends. And we'll see you next time. Goodbye.